Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a card holder keychain. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. The link to download the pattern is under the video. To make this tutorial you will need 3 different fabrics, mid-weight interfacing, a snap button and a hook. Cut the pattern pieces and interface them. Place the 2 outer fabric pieces face to face and stitch. Place the pocket pieces face to face and stitch, then fold over and top stitch. Place the flap pieces face to face and stitch. Clip the curve of the flap and flip inside out. Mark the snap position on the flap and place one side of the button. Mark the position of the snap button on the outer fabric of the card holder and place the second part of the button. Mark the middle of the outer fabric and the middle of the flap, match them, placing one on the other face to face. Fold the loop piece's edges inward, then fold in half and stitch. Place the loop in the hook. Place the loop on the outer piece face to face. Stitch the loop and the flap. Place the pockets on each side of the inner fabric and stitch. Place the outside on the inside face to face and stitch, leaving an opening to flip the card holder. Clip the corners. Flip the card holder inside out. Top stitch. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next tutorial.